I'm seeing some of the most beautiful, beautiful orchid configurations that I have seen in years and years.
There, perfect. Oh, beautiful.
This is a close-up shot of a magnolia. I went in with my macro lens to the very center, and this is the result. I will focus in so closely with my camera, and that lens, that macro lens, provides an almost magical experience. I often compare it to a Zen experience, a meditation experience, a transcendental experience. The flow is absolutely beautiful. The feelings are absolutely beautiful. There is something so beautiful, so harmonious, so healing, which is communicated into the lens, into my eye, into my brain, and into my own soul. It's indescribable. Where the arts and healing are concerned, I'm convinced that the two are inextricably bound. There have been studies made which show that people in hospitals can actually view exhibits of nature, and their healing becomes much, much more rapid. You learn that it is not necessarily what happens to you, but what you do with those experiences. It is your response to those experiences. And my means of communicating with art and celebrating art is, of course, through the use of my macro lens and celebrating nature, and also giving thanks for the cherished gift of eyesight.